Hey everybody, it's Paul from hairpalaceguide on the YouTube channel. Um, Before I continue on and let you know what's going on, I want to say thanks to everybody who asked me to refer them. Um, we both win, so if you, before you even contact the Hair Palace, contact me, send me your details, email and mobile number. That's all I need, and your name. And I will, in return, I'll send you my number and we can hit it up on WhatsApp and we could chat. I can tell you answer any questions that you have, but Hair Palace will cover that anyway. But before you do anything with Hair Palace, before you even call them, contact me at hairpalaceguide@gmail.com, and you'll get a nice hefty discount and you'll get some strong hair like this. Look at that. And if you remember my earlier videos, my hairline did not look anything like this. Now at the moment, I am growing my hair. I'm going to grow my hair for a year and let you know what it looks like. So you'll be flying through these videos. You'll be going, oh, so the progress to you is only a couple of minutes, but it actually did take a couple of years. And if I make any mistakes on this video, I'm leaving it in. It's just I want to stay true to what I'm trying to say and project to you. So if I make mistakes on a video, I'm going to keep going and try and correct myself, because this video and this whole documentary and all the videos I put up on Hair Palace Guide, it's all about truth. It's not about lying to you. So so I'm in my house. So let's reiterate. A lot of people have sent me an email like, oh, okay, so how much are the tickets, the flight tickets, and blah 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 blah. So listen, all you need to do is book the flight. Okay, after you go for your consultation with Hair Palace, I think nowadays you can just email them in your hair. But as I said, let me refer you first, and then they will take it from there. So yeah, they give you an apartment, they give you food, they give you the best treatment. They pick you up from the airport. They drop you at the apartment. They show you to your apartment and how to use everything. You have nothing to worry about. All you need to worry about is getting to the airport on time. That's it. I swear to God, it is the greatest thing you will ever do. I am not joking. A lot of people have now got my phone number. I might have to start thinking of getting a separate SIM card just so that I can just have specifically dealings with you guys who asked me to refer you. And they say, oh wow, listen, thanks for your videos. Thank you for, guiding me, blah, blah, blah. And I love that, and I love the way people's lives have changed. Some people still keep up with me, send me pictures. They're like, I can't believe you're actually right. Like when I did this, I didn't have any documentary and like that. I kept looking at them videos where people are just standing in a white background, which actually looked like they were like, hostage video. You know what I mean? So it didn't work. So I said, listen, I'm going to give what people are looking for. I'm going to give them what they want, what I would have wanted, and that's the honest truth. Now, listen, I've gotten emails, people sending me really bad emails saying you're full of shit and wait till after 2 years and your hair will start falling out. Well, I'll tell you something. It's now 2 years. My hair's not falling out. As a matter of fact, my hair's got stronger. I brush my hair all the way through, like with my hand. Look at that. Look how thick that is. Folks, it's not getting any weaker. What they do at Hair Palace, you have no idea. You have to get it done to believe it. Okay? And then, listen, you can thank me. You don't have to thank me. Listen, we were both in the situation. I was in the situation you were. I would have paid 22 grand happily. It's like, there's no fucking way I'm going bald. I had a fear of it. And look, there's nothing against about being bald, but it's actually better to me and my own confidence and stuff like that, to get something done about it. And I do. I feel a lot younger. I don't know. It's like, ever since, like, after the treatment and stuff like that, I came home and I did, you know, what they told me to do and do the spray with the saline and all that stuff. And after I started growing and started getting thick up to now, I have so much confidence now. You've no idea. I'm having pictures, getting pictures taken where I used to kind of split, because I only had this little part, a little tuft here. And I would kind of spike it so it would cover my two bald patches here. And it was ridiculous. It was ridiculous. I just had to face it. I was like, you know what, mate, you're losing your hair. Grace of God, I found a hair palace. Now I wish I could have had someone refer like me, the way I'm asking you guys to let me refer you, so we all work it out. Now I am going to get my hair done the back eventually, because it's starting to get a bit, you know. And so yeah, so that's pretty much it. Next video is within a month. I'm going to try and get to you in a month, because I don't want to be putting up videos not what I'm going to say, like not knowing what I'm going to say. So listen, make that leap. Trust me. I wish you were in my mind. Make the leap. Go for it. I swear to God, you're going to be better off. I've had people who've had pretty much nearly like complete bald up here, right, all the way back. They only had the back part done. Should see them now. It's ridiculous. Hopefully Hair Palace will put up their progress. I am not fucking bullshitting you. I'm not bullshitting you. I got it done, and so many people that I referred got it done. You know, I'm going to keep them private and, you know, respect their privacy. So they just, you know, that's just the way it is. So listen, I'll leave you with that. That's the end of this video. You know, hairpalaceguide@gmail.com. Let me refer you first. Do not talk to Hair Palace first. Send me your details. You know, and listen, you send me your details, you don't want it done, fine. They'll send you an email after I refer you and go, here, listen, Paul's after referring you. Just go, nah, listen, I'm not interested. If you don't want to do it, just let me refer you. But that way, both our names are on the system. So when you do, let's say in a year or two, you go, no, actually, I do want to get it done. Your name's still on the system. I referred you, and we both win. Okay. So that's pretty much it, you know. So listen, if you got any questions, hairpalaceguide@gmail.com. I'll answer you straight away. My reply record is I'm very, very proud of. Even my phone number. So I'll give you my phone number after you send me your details. It's a kind of a trust thing. I don't want to take your details and you start going, hold on a minute, what am I getting out of this? So in turn, I'm going to give you my number. You know. So that's it. I'm going to start repeating myself now. But listen, make the leap, make the change. You got to do it. You're going to do it. You're going to love it. It's going to change your life. It's going to start a whole new chapter in your life. Do it. I'm telling you, it's the greatest thing you'll ever get done. Greatest thing. And hopefully you're going to be in this position. You're going to be making videos and you're going to be going, oh my God, this was amazing. Like, tell everybody. You know. So do it. Do it. Let me refer you. Send me the email, hairpalaceguide@gmail.com. I'll sort you out, okay? I'm not bullshitting you. Talk to you later.